Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Gurukul Tennis. This is the Ravi coach from the Tennis Gurukul. We are going to talk about today fundamental of the backhand. So you know that all the player, even you see in the top level Grand Slam also, Nadal is attacking to the backhand. Means everybody backhand is not good. But I am going to clear that one, that backhand is more easier shot than the forehand. Why? Because our right eyes is more stronger in general. I am not talking about everybody. In general, our right eyes is more stronger. We are the right-hander player. 90% players are the right-hander. If your right hand is more stronger and you can see the ball in your right side, so you can see the ball more nicely. So because of that, backhand is very easy. This is the one thing. Second thing is backhand. When you hit the backhand, you get the ball very easily in front. You can get the ball very easily in front. But when we are going to forehand, our body, our right hand is behind our body, so we have to adjust so many things. So this also is, I'm just trying to tell you that what is the advantage of the backhand. But still people are lagging in the backhand. Why? Because people are 80% time they are practicing only in the forehand and 20% they are practicing the backhand. So if you practice less, you will have the problem. You realize that when you are going to play tennis, you play mostly 70, 80, 90%, sometimes 100% we are hitting the forehand only, but not hitting the backhand. So because of that, people are little bit lagging, struggling in the backhand. So that one I cleared, that if you give little more time in the backhand stroke, then your backhand is going to stronger. I'm sure about that. So now we are going to talk about this basic technique of the backhand. So first we are going to talk about the grip, but first we are going to talk about the double hand backhand, because nowadays most of the players are playing double hand. But I prefer single hand, and my son Prince also play single hand backhand. I will show you the video about him, how he is hitting the ball, and he's very good. But I'm going to talk about the double hand backhand. So for that double hand backhand, before I already spoke about the continental. This is the top one, is the 1. This is 2. This is 3. This flat one, and this is the point. And my hand is also here. 1 and 2. This is the behind my gender Nadal, and this is the bottom one. So I'm going to hold. This is the 2 and 2 is almost the continental. But when you do the big serve or nice serve, that time you have to hold 1 and 2. So don't be confused. I'm talking about the double hand backhand. So we have to hold 2 and 2. This is in between of the continental and eastern. So we hold this one first. So when we ready position, I already spoke about that our leg will be twice wider than my shoulder. So now you can see I'm staying like this. So this is not a ready position. This one I'm just standing. You can see my toe to toe, heel to heel, toe to toe is wider and heel to heel is narrow. So this is not a good thing, okay? So this one is the toe to toe, heel to heel will be the same, and it will be more wider. So I'm going, if I keep my leg wider, and then what happens? I'm going down. If I'm going down, my balance is the more strong. So before also I spoke about that, the biomechanics of the basic tennis is ABC. A means agility, B means balance, C means coordination. These three things, if anybody having in the if any kids is good about this ABC, agility, balance and coordination, that kid is going to play tennis very well. There is no doubt for that. This is the main ingredient of the tennis. So this is the balance we are talking about. Then with the same thing like forehand side. First one I will talk about the grip. That this one about the continental grip here, and then left hand is going to hold just behind like this one, this way. You can see I'm going to just touch and holding. So this is the grip for the double hand backhand. And then the second part is unit turn. When ball is coming to my left side, it is approaching to my left side, I will turn. You can see my left leg is going to pivot, and then my hand is here. I'm not going to back like this. I'm turning my shoulder, and this is the unit turn. Means I'm not doing, my hand is not moving. I'm turning my shoulder this side, and you can see the unit turn. This is the one. Then after that, your quad stance, right foot forward. This way you can see unit turn. I'm here, unit turn, right foot forward, taking racket back and down. The same thing like forehand, racket back and then little bit down and going to hit the ball. When I'm hitting, my weight transfer, you can see hitting my, this one heel is here. After that, after hitting the ball, I'm going forward and my weight transfer, my heel is facing to the back and finish. After hitting the ball, I'm going press to the line, extension to my hand, and then it is coming to over my shoulder. So this is the basic thing. We are going to hit few balls and then you understand. So this is way we can hit the ball and you can practice. So I hope you can understand this one. Okay, thank you. We are going to talk about the next video. Just watch the video, and if you like any comment, any constructive advice, you please give it. Thank you very much, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.